Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we would be discussing an interesting options trading strategy known as the wheel, which is used to generate consistent income using monthly options with cash secured puts and covered calls. Want to meet like minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments, and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community. So, what is the wheel options trading strategy? The wheel can be described as a combination of the two basic income strategies, the cash secured put and the covered call. You begin with selling a cash secured put each month until you are assigned the stock, and then you sell covered calls each month until the stock is called away. You keep repeating this cycle month after month, and hence the name the wheel. It is a capital intensive strategy and is suitable to only experienced traders who have a large capital at command. So, before we dive into the actual topic, let's have a quick recap of what the above strategies are all about. Let's first learn the rights and obligations associated with an option contract. An option is a contract between two parties, a buyer and a seller. Options create rights to the buyer and obligations on the seller of the option. A call option gives you the right to buy an underlying asset from the investor who sold you the call option at a specific price on a specified date. Conversely, a put option gives you the right to sell an underlying asset to the investor who sold you the put option at a specific price on a specified date. The investor, that is, the seller of the options, is under an obligation to sell or buy the underlying asset if you decide to exercise your right on the specified date. The specified price is called the strike price and the specified date is called the expiration date. A call option is called a call because the buyer has the right to call the underlying asset away from the seller. A put option is called a put because the buyer has the right to put the underlying asset to the seller. Now to the cash secured put strategy. The cash secured put is a bullish option strategy in which you sell an out of the money put option with 30 to 45 days to expiration. It is a way to purchase shares at the strike price of the put while keeping all the premium if the stock stays above the put strike price. Basically, when you initiate the cash secured put strategy, you want the price of the underlying to either rise or remain the same or fall slightly. And if the underlying falls below the strike price of the sold put at expiration, you would be assigned the stock. It is assumed that you have set aside enough capital in your account to take the delivery. The maximum profit at expiry is the credit received, and the maximum loss at expiry is theoretically unlimited. Hence, it is considered a high risk strategy. Since you are selling an option, time decay is your friend. So you have to choose an option with as few days to expiration as possible, preferably 30 to 45 days. Now to the covered call strategy. The covered call is a highly effective option strategy in which you sell an out of the money call option with 30 to 45 days to expiration. It is used to generate income from the stocks you already have in your portfolio, assuming you have shares equivalent to at least one lot size of the stock. It is deployed by both beginners as well as experienced traders and is used to lower the cost basis of the stock. You get to keep all the premium if the underlying stays below the call strike price. If the underlying rises above the strike price of the sold call at expiration, your stock would be called away. Basically, when you initiate the covered call strategy, you want the price of the underlying to either rise slightly or remain the same or fall slightly. Since you are selling an option, time decay is your friend. So you have to choose an option with as few days to expiration as possible, preferably 30 to 45 days. This is a pictorial depiction of the wheel options trading strategy. You begin the cycle with selling an out of the money put with at least 30 to 45 days to expiration. At expiration, if the underlying is below the strike price of the sold put, you would be assigned the stock. Else, you sell another out of the money put with at least 30 to 45 days to expiration. If assigned the stock, you sell an out of the money call with at least 30 to 45 days to expiration. At expiration, if the underlying is above the strike of the sold call, your stock would be called away. Else, you sell another out of the money call with at least 30 to 45 days to expiration. If your stock is called away, you repeat the cycle with selling an out of the money put with at least 30 to 45 days to expiration. Now let's look at one of the common mistakes made by the beginners when they start trading options. On the other side of the video, we will look at some takeaways from the wheel trade. Mistake 7. Believing that there is a one size fits all strategy. Trading is an art. Like any other business, it is a continuous learning process. It takes a long, deliberate effort and a positive mindset to become a successful trader. There is no single strategy that automatically makes money. If there was one such, a one size fits all strategy, then everyone would make money in the markets. Continuous learning is what will help you outpace changing market scenarios. Also, you should keep yourself updated with the latest happenings in the stock market. Some strategies work well in a bullish market but falter in a bear market. Others shine in a bear market and perform badly in a bull market. To be a successful trader, you should constantly be learning, improving your skills, and getting better at what you do. Never stop learning and perfecting your trading style. I would recommend that you paper trade a strategy that you are learning for some time before using real money. Paper trading is simply the process of taking speculative trades using real market numbers, as if you are actually trading real money. Some brokerage firms provide this facility, so make use of it and gain some understanding before taking the actual leap. We would discuss some more options mistakes you should avoid as a beginner in the next part. Let us know in the comment section which one mistake you made in your trading journey. Some takeaways. Initiate the wheel strategy when the underlying is at an obvious long term support zone and the prevailing trend is either bullish or sideways. Note that not all stocks are suitable for the wheel strategy. Choose only fundamentally strong stocks and or sector leaders such as Reliance, HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever Limited, TCS, Dr. Reddy's Labs, State Bank of India, etc. Choose stocks with adequate liquidity. Only options with a higher open interest should be sold, as the bid offer spread would not be wide in such options and would be easier to enter and exit. Choose options with as few days to expiration as possible, preferably 30 to 45 days. The risk graphs of both the covered call strategy and the cash secured put strategy look similar. As mentioned before, the wheel is a capital intensive strategy. If you are a trader with small capital, stay away from it. Aggressive traders can sell options with a delta of zero point 0.3, while not so aggressive traders can sell options with a delta of zero point 0.2. Once the stock is assigned to you, you can pledge the stock and use the collateral margin to write a call option. I would be explaining the strategy with a live example in a future video. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter and Telegram, use the username NiftyBN. Also, I post some of my trades to the community tab, so don't forget to check that from time to time.